Morning dear students, welcome to your BBPS e-learning class. I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. This is your English period. I am your English teacher. Today we will study from English language worksheet number 1 from page number 31. Today we will do two exercises A and B in the book only. Fill it in the book and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Students, start the work. Students, today we will study worksheet 1 from English language, page number 31. Write down classwork. Put the date. That is 12 July 2021. Exercise A. Rewrite each sentence changing the gender of nouns, pronouns. Make necessary changes. We have to change the gender of noun as well as pronouns. So here, my uncle has gone to Mussoorie to meet his son. Aunt becomes uncle, her become his, and daughter becomes son. The nurse gave him an injection. The nurse gave her an injection. Him becomes her. Now third one, the wizard changed the girl into a cow. The witch changed the boy into a bull. Wizard becomes witch, girls become boy, and cow becomes bull. Now, the horse was running in the race. The mare was running in the race. Japan has got a new emperor. Japan has got a new empress. So emperor becomes empress. Over here, horse becomes mare. The girl in that shop was my niece. The boy in that shop was my nephew. So girls becomes boy and niece becomes nephew. Seventh one. My brother-in-law works at a news channel. My sister-in-law works at a news channel. So we have completed exercise A. Now we will start exercise B. Exercise B. Complete the following paragraph using suitable articles. What are articles? A and the. Selena wanted to buy a doll. So she went to a gift shop. She looked at many dolls and then she saw the one she had dreamed of. She knew as soon as she saw it was the doll she wanted to buy. She excitedly opened the box and took a glance at it. She brought the doll to the counter and asked the shopkeeper to give a gift wrap also. So here we have completed worksheet 1. We have done 2 exercises. You have to fill it in your English language book, and tomorrow we will fill exercise C, this worksheet 1 only. Okay, tomorrow we will fill it. Today you will do this only. Mention date and classwork in your book. Otherwise I will not check it. Dear students, start the work and then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. You all have completed your work, then show it to me in the WhatsApp group. Dear students, your homework is learn the exercise A and B from worksheet number 1. That's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.